Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this new tutorial video. Today in this video we are about to activate announce call option in an iPhone. So let's do it. First of all, go to the settings of your iPhone and then search for the phone app. Please visit inside. After that, you can see announce call options here. Just tap on it and select the option always. There you go, the announce call option has been activated in your iPhone. So here's the demo.
Mahesh plus 2 friend.
Hope this video was useful for you. Hope to see you in next video. Thank you.